To replace the oil filter, the following tools are needed: oil filter, oil filter wrench, engine oil, drain plug washer, oil drain pan. Before an oil filter replacement, it is necessary to remove the oil drain plug and drain the engine oil. Just like this motorcycle, most motorcycles use a spin-on filter. If the filter is fitted correctly, it should be possible to get it off by hand as long as both the filter and your hands are dry. In some cases, when the filter has not been fitted correctly, it might be necessary to use a filter wrench to get the filter off. Filter wrenches are available in different forms. For this video, we make use of a filter wrench that is placed on top of the filter. Be sure to use the drain pan since the oil filter contains some oil, even after draining the engine. Clean the oil filter location by using a dry cloth. The rubber ring of Champion filters are already pre-greased. In case of a non-pre-greased rubber ring, grease the rubber ring of the oil filter using new oil. Screw the oil filter on and tighten it hand tight. When tightening by hand, be sure that both your hands and the filter are dry. Check and clean the magnet of the oil drain plug of contamination. Fit the oil drain plug using a new washer if applicable. Clean the engine area with degreaser. Remove the oil filler plug, fill up with the correct amount of engine oil and check for the correct oil level. Check the owner's manual for the correct procedure. Place back the oil filler plug and start the engine. Check for leaks and if the oil filler light is out. Since the oil filter is new, the oil level may have dropped a little. Top off to the correct oil level.